Email is one of those daily tools that can either keep you organized or slow you down completely. For professionals who live in their inbox, the right email client can make a huge difference in productivity and focus. Two strong contenders stand out for efficiency-focused users: Superhuman and Gmail with inbox extensions. Superhuman is all about speed and experience. It is built specifically for people who spend a large part of their day managing messages and want every interaction to feel instant. When you open Superhuman, you immediately notice how fast everything feels. Emails load instantly, navigation is fluid, and every action can be done with a keyboard shortcut. It is designed to eliminate friction at every step. The interface is clean and minimal, with subtle colors and no clutter. You can triage your inbox quickly using commands like archive, snooze, or remind me later. The experience feels almost game-like, with a sense of flow that keeps you focused. You can fly through dozens of messages in minutes without ever reaching for your mouse. Superhuman's most powerful feature is its command palette. Press one key, and you can search, compose, or trigger any action instantly. You can also use snippets, templates, and reminders to speed up repetitive tasks. The software includes read receipts, follow-up reminders, and advanced search that surfaces exactly what you need in seconds. Now let's look at Gmail with extensions. Gmail is the most widely used email platform in the world, and for good reason. It is reliable, powerful, and deeply integrated with the Google ecosystem. On its own, Gmail is feature-rich, but when you combine it with extensions and add-ons, it becomes a customizable powerhouse. Using tools like Boomerang, Right Inbox, or Mixmax, you can add features that mirror much of what Superhuman offers, like scheduling emails, setting follow-up reminders, tracking opens, and creating templates. Gmail's tabbed inbox and customizable filters also make it easy to prioritize important messages and keep newsletters or promotions out of the way. The Gmail interface may not feel as sleek as Superhuman's, but it is highly functional. You can switch between multiple accounts, integrate with Google Calendar and Drive, and even use keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation. Power users often customize Gmail with Chrome extensions or tools like Simplify Gmail, which clean up the interface to feel more focused and distraction-free. If you live in your inbox and value time above all else, Superhuman is worth the price. Its seamless flow, instant response, and thoughtful design create an almost meditative email experience. But if you prefer flexibility, cost savings, and integration with the tools you already use, Gmail with extensions will serve you incredibly well. Either way, both platforms aim to make email more efficient and less overwhelming. Superhuman gives you speed and clarity. Gmail gives you power and adaptability. The right choice depends on whether you want your inbox to feel like a Formula One cockpit or a customizable workspace that grows with you.